Traditional printers allow you to print on flat surfaces and use only limited materials. But now you can use Tecbears Hand-Held Mini Printer to explore an infinite and brave new world full of creative printing possibilities. This is Gadgets and Widgets.
We are introducing Tecbears Hand-Held Printer, a palm-sized printer that allows you to print anywhere and anytime with just 3 easy steps. Connect, click, and slide. You can print on paper, cardboard, plastic, wood, cloth, food, glass, and even rounded surfaces. You can print anything you want: words, numbers, symbols, pictures, and even your own designs. You just have to create them and upload them to Tecbears Hand-Held Printer's easy-to-use app. Connect your phone to the printer via Wi-Fi. Select whatever you want to print. Press the button and start printing. The Tecbears Hand-Held Printer is very convenient, and it's able to print very detailed designs, such as QR codes and symbols. Tecbears Hand-Held Printer also allows you to print 1-inch height patterns and A4 sizes using any CMYK color. Plus, it has a powerful battery that will work continuously for 3 hours. And each cartridge will let you slide around 2,500 times. Print anything you want and everywhere you want with Tecbears Hand-Held Printer.